Hello friends, today I will show you how to insert photo and digital signature in MS Word. How can you do it? So I make the simple video, short video. You can do it yourself as well. So how can you do it? First of all, you'll click on insert and click on picture. Okay, so click on picture and I have already a picture in my D drive, so click on there and I choose one of the picture, and this is the picture I want, and click on here, and this I insert this picture. After that, you right click over this picture, you write this over the picture. uh, Sorry for that. There is the format picture, you click on format picture, and for picture you go to the layout option, and click on behind the text. Behind the text means this picture behind the text, under the text. Okay, so click on the behind the text and click on OK. So now it's behind the picture, you can move the picture anywhere now. So I place the picture in a right corner. After that, I small the video, I resize the video, and I think this is the perfect one. Okay, and after that, in a signature site, I insert my signature. So I click the signature tab, then click the picture option, and this is the sign, insert sign. So this is the sign. You cannot move this one, so how can you move this? Click on the insert, this one, you click on the sign, then right button, format picture, layout, then behind the text. So then OK, press OK. So now you can move your signature. Now you resize your signature. So this is the way you can do it. So I show you the another way how can I do it. I omit this one and I insert, click on insert, then picture. Okay, I choose the different one. For example, I choose here. Okay, I come here and I choose a different picture. Okay, okay. For example, this one I choose. I click on here. Okay, I insert this one, then right button, format picture. You do not get it if you do not do this option. You do not get this option. How can you do it? Click on here, then you go to the format option, then text warping. Click on here and then behind the text. Okay, so after that, resize the picture using my method. Okay, resize the picture. Okay, I resize my picture. I have to omit this, what can I say, this border as well. How can I do it? So I click the picture, then crop. I click on crop option. After that, I select the extra option. Here you can see it. You can do it. You crop your picture as well, like this, and also you can. So of course, you can choose the brightness as well. You get the brightness, below brightness, and up the brightness as well. Uses this technique. So hopefully you like it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.